Okay, so now I've added all my students to Freckle for this year. So I'm going to go log back into freckle.com, go to teacher sign in, and I've already signed in, so I'm going to look at my roster. Now, since I have a class that was in last year and I haven't transferred them yet, I have two classes because eventually I will archive this class or transfer all the kids over. But for right now, I haven't done that yet. So I have kind of a mess. I have an old class and a new class. So I'm just going to ignore the old class until I deal with that later and look at my new class because this is what I'm really interested in right now. So my new class is ready to go. So now what I need to do is print the login cards for all my class, all my kids. And what pops up is, this is the wrong class, so hold on. Okay. For login cards for this class. Okay, that's better. So I'm going to go ahead and print these, and what you have is their login, which is their first and last name, and their code, and the code is the same for every single kid, or they can use a QR code scanner and scan in that way. Those are two options. So it's really easy for them to log in and really easy for you to print off these cards. I use a technology folder. I just get a manila folder and I print off all the cards and they glue it in there, and then they always have their information to log in. So that would be the next step to getting ready to use Freckle.